My name is Torben Møger Petersen, and I'm CEO of Pension Denmark, which is a large Danish pension fund. So I'm here as a representative from the investor community, which of course is of great importance if we have to be able to maintain the very ambitious goals for creating renewable energy at large scale. So because of the government debt crisis, access to public funding is limited. The banking crisis in Europe and US also make bank funding complicated. So that leaves the pension funds behind as the type of financial institutions most well suited to bring in long-term capital for investments in renewable energy, transmission systems, and all that is needed to complete our goals. Actually, this morning we announced a transaction where we this weekend have bought 50% of 3 large-scale US onshore wind farms from the German energy company E.ON. So we are now 50-50 equity partners on these parks, and we have plans for doing further investments in renewable energy projects, both in Europe and in North America during the coming years. Actually, our budget for these kind of investments for the next 5 years is around $2 billion US. So we are actually very ambitious, but also finding very interesting business opportunities in the renewable energy sector. So that's one of the reasons that I'm here. And it's a perfect event where you bring together decision makers from the political life, business leaders, investors, scholars with insights, and I think this is a very fruitful way of organizing exchange of ideas and experiences. As a pension fund, investing in traditional government bonds isn't that attractive. You know, bond yields are close to zero. Equity markets are very volatile, and they will go on being volatile if we are looking into a long period with low growth rates in Europe. So we actually are looking for assets providing us a return substantially higher than government bonds, but to taking less risk compared with equity markets. And actually, large-scale infrastructure assets like wind parks have these kind of structures, and that's why they are attractive for long-term investors like pension funds.